So this bathroom here, I get that it's night time now anyway, but in the day it doesn't get a whole lot of sunlight because literally straight opposite is the brick wall to the other detached house right there. So even on a sunny day it doesn't get all that bright. Hence why I've painted it blue as opposed to the dark green it used to be. But just to boost things a bit more, I'm just going to replace this very generic looking LED light to one I found on Aliexpress. So let me show you. Here it is. Now I've seen a lot of these doing the rounds on Amazon, and in typical fashion I looked elsewhere because a lot of Amazon stock is literally Aliexpress stuff sent to the UK and then has a higher markup on it. Obviously you do benefit from the no questions asked returns on Amazon, but even with AliExpress these days you get the same treatment. Like if it doesn't work you can send it back. And there's also a lot of AliExpress warehouses in the UK now. This took about, I think, 4 days to ship. So I went for the 30cm one, which is there. And I can't remember the wattage. It's very basic packaging. I'll give you that. Let's see. So I went with 30 watts. And it's tricolour, which sounds great on paper, i.e. you can switch it from warm, neutral to cold lighting, until I realised that there's no switch on the actual light. Instead it changes each time you turn the light off and on, which is a bit annoying. At least how I think that's how it works. I'll have to check. Anyway, plastic body, so obviously you don't need an earth, you've just got your live and neutral there. Couldn't really be any easier to connect, but obviously I'm going to connect these to Wagos as usual. The mounting system as well is very easy, but I'll need my freehand. Give me a sec. There we go. So that's essentially it. It just slides on and off, and you have your connectors there for your actual LEDs within the unit. This is so easy, just 2 screws. Doesn't even matter where you orient it on the ceiling because it's a round light. It did come with roll plugs and screws, but I'm not going to use them because they're just not very good. I'll just use a standard red plug, or maybe some Fisher Duo Power or Duocore, whatever they're called, the 30mm ones. So let me switch the electric off for upstairs and I'll get it installed. And there we go. Fairly easy install. It's just that there's barely any space up there. Like the hole in the ceiling is very small. So trying to cram all the Wagos up there was quite a challenge. But after you've done that, the light just slips onto the mount. So pretty straightforward. So it does have 3 different modes. I think that's on cold. And then we go, I'd say that's cool actually, that's cold. It's kind of clinical light. That's warm. And that's more neutral, but obviously my phone is going to adjust the white balance all the time, so you won't see what I'm seeing. But all 3 are super bright. And it's massively improved the light in this room. It looks really nice now. So for like a tenner or whatever, I'm really happy with that. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description for where I got it on AliExpress. Very easy, very lightweight as well. You barely even need a raw plug. So yeah, cheers.